Rainy days may come and go, it splashes through the window. I can listen to the color, and with you it's getting better. Look around, it's subtle, it washed away the gloom. Though it's not ours to settle, let's get inside the room. Although you know you're the one who can save yourself. Sunset and you're knocking at my door. No hint of insecurities, but then it leaves us with a small twinge of melancholy. The silence breaks, but it does so awfully.